Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for this quick review of this ELECTACTIC oil-filled radiator heater. This is what it looks like all around. Very cool, beautiful color, beautiful design up front with the turn knobs. It does not have a display, it just has the setting knobs right here, which range from 600 watts to 1500 watt. Some of you may think that if there's an oil-filled radiator, there may be some oil or maintenance involved. Really, there isn't anything like that. The oil is contained within the structure of this heater, and you don't ever have to do anything with the oil or worry about it leaking or anything like that. When it comes in the box, all you need to do is attach the base with the casters, and that gives you portability. You can roll it around, and actually you also have this handle up front by which you can grab and pick up the heater. It really is not that heavy if you need to lift it and pick it up and take it to a different room. You also have the cord holder, which is flush, and then if you push on it, it pops out and you can just wind your cord on it. Very nice and convenient. One of the biggest benefits is the heat feels steady and comfortable, not like fan heater blasting hot air. And because its style holds heat really well, it continues giving off warmth even after it turns off, which can help it feel more efficient and consistent over time. Another big plus, it's super quiet. Most oil-filled heaters don't have a fan, so it's great for bedrooms, offices, and just relaxing without noise. And since there is no fan blowing air around, it can be a little nicer if you don't want dust flying everywhere, and it helps especially if you have allergies. This oil-filled heater is also great for longer use because the heat is more gentle and includes features that are very important. Overheat protection and also a tip-over safety shutoff. If for some reason it is knocked over, it automatically shuts off to prevent any damage to your space. One thing to know is these usually take a few minutes to warm up, so it's not instant heat, but once it's going, it stays really consistent, and I love that very much. So it's definitely a great heater. I would recommend it for anyone. If you're considering an oil-filled radiator heater, I hope this helped. I'll link this exact same model below, and if you have questions about the room size or wattage, drop a comment and I'll help you pick the right one.